The representative of the German High Command.
Regretted to tell you that very many American lives.
Vatandaşlar, Cumhuriyet'in 10. yılını kutluyoruz.